Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do something a little bit special. I am doing a budget meal prep. I know that a lot of people are concerned with raising prices of everything, food, gas, housing. So a really great way to stay on budget is to meal prep, and a really great way to cut that grocery budget down is to choose lots of low cost foods and make sure that they're healthy, delicious, and meal prepping them is really great for that. Have everything ready for the week, no waste, so you're not wasting any money on any food that you have to throw out. So I'm staying really organized this week. I'm gonna have everything ready, and my breakfast, snack, and lunch this week is under $20. It's $19.48 for everything that I'm gonna have for breakfast, lunch, and my mid-morning snack. So it's really great staying on budget because I know that rising costs on everything is happening right now. So that's why I wanted to do this fun video for you today. So for lunch, I'm going to have chicken apple sausage and a bunch of veggies. I have broccoli and cauliflower, and I'm going to roast it with this vinaigrette. It's a balsamic vinaigrette dressing. And then for breakfast, I'm gonna do my mason jar egg cups that I've done before. Check out some of my other videos on my breakfast videos. So I put my eggs in a mason jar and then I microwave them the morning that I want to eat them. So I have my eggs, I have frozen spinach. This whole bag is $1 and I'm only going to use about a quarter of it. And then I have some sliced ham. And then for snack, I'm going to have cottage cheese. And this whole thing of cottage cheese is less than $2 and I'm not going to use the whole thing. So I'm also going to have some dry roasted almonds as a snack as well. And so I'm going to portion everything out into my meal prep containers, and everything will be ready to go for the week. And we're going to have a super low budget this week with less than $20 of breakfast, lunch, and snack. So I'll get this all ready to go.
So first I have my broccoli and my cauliflower that I'm going to roast in the oven, which I have preheating right now to 400 degrees. So I got my broccoli and cauliflower already chopped up in bags. You can get heads of these items as well, but at my grocery store they were the same cost either way. So I decided to get the more convenient option on getting it already chopped up and ready to go. So I'm going to drizzle on this dressing. I love it on my roasted vegetables, gives it tons of flavor. It's a balsamic vinaigrette, so it has a little bit of sweetness to it, but I'm going to drizzle it all over, and then I'm going to toss it around so that each piece of the broccoli and cauliflower is nice and coated. So then I'm going to put this in the oven while I cook everything else. Like I said, I have it preheated right now to 400 degrees, and I'm going to roast these for about 20 minutes. So while the broccoli's cooking, I'm going to make my chicken apple sausage. I love this. It's pre-cooked, so it doesn't take long. I'm just going to put it on my grill pan, and I'll cook it for about 5 minutes per side. It's going to give these nice little grill lines, and then the chicken apple sausage will be ready to go. It's really quick and easy. For breakfast, I love eggs. Eggs are my favorite for breakfast. So I have my mason jars, and I'm going to crack 2 eggs into each jar. These are really convenient for a really quick breakfast. So I'm going to add in next my diced ham. So I had my thick cut ham and cut it into small pieces. And then I have my frozen spinach that I defrosted. So I'm going to add that in. And then I'm going to do a little bit of cracked pepper and a little bit of sea salt onto the top of each mason jar. So I'm going to have these. They'll be ready to go for the whole week. So each morning I pull them out, take the lid off, and I'll put it in the microwave. So I put it in for about 45 seconds, take it out and stir it, and then I'll put it in for another 45 seconds. And the eggs are so nice and fluffy. You can either eat them straight out of the mason jar once the mason jar cools a little bit, or you can pour it onto a plate, which is what I usually like to do. So they're really good. I don't have to get all these ingredients out each day and make a big old mess. So you can also just take this and pour it into an omelet pan if you want to cook these on the stove. But the microwave way is really easy, especially if you're in a rush. You can just grab these and take them to work and put them in the microwave. So I love having these ready and really great budget friendly. I know eggs are a little bit pricey right now, but I get a big pack so it makes each egg a little bit cheaper. Since we eat so many eggs, I get the large 18 egg pack. So these are now ready to go for breakfast. And for my snacks, I have these little containers. I've had these containers forever since I made my homemade baby food for my kids. But this one is about half a cup, and then I have these smaller ones that's about 2 ounces. So these are really great. Like I said, I've had them forever, really great quality. So they're perfect for snacks. I'm going to add in the cottage cheese to the bigger snack cup, and it's going to make I'm going to do 2 spoonfuls, so it's going to be about 1/3 of a cup in here. So then cottage cheese will be ready for the week. And I just put the lids on, and these lids are really great. They could just stack up onto each other, perfect for storing. And now I'm going to add my almonds. These are lightly roasted and salted, which are my favorites. You can also do raw almonds that are super healthy. So I'm going to add about 15 or so in each cup. So I don't like to have a big serving size. I like to make it nice and small because I would eat way too many almonds. I would fill up the whole cup because they are my favorite. So I'm going to portion these out into a nice size of about 15, maybe like 18 or so almonds per cup.
All right, so I have my breakfast prepped, my eggs with ham and spinach. I have my snacks prepped, my cottage cheese and almonds, and now my vegetables and chicken apple sausage are ready to go. So I'll portion it into my meal prep containers. So I just love, I have a little grill pan that I cook these sausages on, and it gives them the little black marks just like a barbecue. So I just love this. This chicken apple sausage doesn't take long to cook because it's pre-cooked, like I said earlier. So I'll portion it all into my meal prep containers. All right, so here's everything for the week ready to go. Less than $20 for this week's breakfast, snack, and lunch. So really budget friendly, really easy, and really delicious as well. So if you like this, check the description box. I'll have everything listed out in there. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you get all of my other meal prep ideas. Click the bell button so that you get the notification when I post a new video. So I hope you like this budget friendly one so that everybody can save money with all the rising costs going on. So I hope you have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions at all, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.